Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am Mahathir Alvin and today we'll talk about pointers in C. So what is a pointer? Pointers are a special type of variable which stores the memory address of a variable instead of a value. So how do we declare a pointer and how does it work? We can declare a pointer by putting an asterisk sign before the variable name as shown here. Normally when we declare a variable, it takes up some space in the memory and stores the value in a memory address. When a pointer is declared and initialized to the memory address, it stores the memory address of that variable as shown here. You can see the memory address of x is being stored in b of x. Normally we declare a variable like this, but for pointers we declare it like this. Int star p of x is equal to ampersand of x. We can see a new sign here, ampersand. Here the ampersand operator is used to reference the address of x. Ampersand is called the address of operator and used to get the address of a variable. So what does int star p of x ampersand of x say? It simply says to store the memory address of x in p of x. And how do we access it? We can access it using the star operator again. Here the asterisk operator is called the dereference operator and the expression says go to the address of x and grab the value stored in it. We also have chain pointers. Pointers pointing to other pointers. So why do we need this functionality? Since we dynamically allocated the address of x to p of x is basically storing the variable x. So any changes that occurs in either of them, the value changes in both of them. Here we can see the results. Anytime we try to change the variable x or star p of x, the value changes in both of them. One of the main advantages of pointers are pass by reference. Sometimes we want to modify a variable using a function without using return statements. We can do it by using pointers. We can directly send the variable's address using pointers and directly modify the variable as shown here. So what should we not do with pointers? Basically anything without initializing it. For example, here we can see a bad code. This will cause an error because the pointer is pointing to something it shouldn't point to, which causes it to print unpredictable value. Thank you for staying.